हम्टी शर्मा की दुल्हनिया के फर्स्ट लुक को बड़े धूमधाम के साथ लॉन्च किया गया। वरुण धवन और आलिया भट्ट ने बैंड बाजे के साथ मारी ड्रामेटिक एंट्री। फिल्म के कास्ट के साथ मौजूद थे फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर करण जौहर, जिनके आने के बाद वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की लाइमलाइट बन गए। रिसेंटली करण और उनके दोस्तों के बीच हुई अनबन की खबरें काफी सुनने को मिल रही थी, पर जब करण से पूछा गया इमरान खान और उनके बीच के फॉल आउट के बारे में, तो करण का जवाब था ये।
Imran Khan and I are close professional associates and close friends. I'm extremely fond of Avantika and Imran. They are not only close friends of mine, but have had a strong association with the company. There were recent reportages that made absolutely no sense to me. Both of them are very dear to me, and I will continue to want to work with Imran, not only as an actor but also as a friend.
लेकिन this wasn't the end of it. जब करण से कहा गया कि अपेरेंटली इमरान को ये बात बुरी लगी थी कि करण ने उनके बर्थडे पर उन्हें विश भी नहीं किया और न ही उनकी वाइफ के बेबी शावर पर गए थे, इन पर करण अपने डिफेंसिव आंसर्स के साथ थे तैयार. And he said,
personally, he did not say that. That is incorrect. When he was asked by the probe, he said you should speak to Karan. Two accounts, I don't feel that this is the right platform to talk about my closeness for Imran and Avantika, who are, as I said repeatedly, extremely dear to me and will continue to be. Secondly, it's a baby shower that was more for women. It was not that it was a fraternity invite, and I don't need to be at the baby shower to wish the baby all the love possible. Secondly, wishing someone on a birthday is not something Imran would give as a quote ever. If you knew Imran dearly and closely, you would know that nobody is like this, and nobody sits and talks about who wishes who on Twitter or not. It's just ridiculous. And the fact that a story like this can actually find screen space and media space is really quite abysmal, according to me.
लेकिन जब फिर से करण से उनके रूमर्ड स्ट्रेन रिलेशनशिप्स विद करीना एंड शाहरुख के बारे में पूछा गया, then Karan chose to ignore this.
Any of that featuring on the promo or the poster behind me? I don't think so. Okay, that's a question for another platform.
All right, could we move on to the next question, please?
लेकिन जब करण को पूछा गया किस तरह आलिया प्रोमो में करीना को कॉपी करती है, then Karan chose to defend Kareena rather a bit too seriously, stating that the comparison was unfair.
There can be only one Kareena, as we all know that. Not only am I a huge fan of hers on celluloid, but I love her as a person. Kareena and I are extremely close, and when I say that Alia, I mean when people make those comparisons because they both have an inherent sense of a certain natural energy and a certain spark and spunk, but they're very different actresses, and Kareena has carved such a tremendous niche for herself that I don't think she should be compared to anyone, and I think it's unfair for Alia to be compared to someone who set the bar so high. She still has a journey ahead, and I'm sure that eventually she will have an individualistic charm about her, and maybe someday someone will ask us whether, oh, you're so like Alia Bhatt, and I hope that day comes very soon.
चलिए अब फाइनली बात करते हैं फिल्म के मेन लीड्स आलिया और वरुण के बारे में। आलिया को जब अपने रूमर लिंकअप्स के बारे में पूछा गया, एट दैट पॉइंट द ओवर एंथुसियास्टिक आलिया ने न सिर्फ उनके प्रेजेंट रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस के बारे में बल्कि अपने फ्यूचर रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस को भी डिक्लेयर कर दिया।
ऑलरेडी वरुण पे पहुंच गया, आई डिडंट नो, मुझे अभी पता चला। जुड़ गया है? हाँ। क्या करे अभी? नेक्स्ट फिल्म किसी और हीरो के साथ होगा।
कुछ सच्चाई नहीं है इसको।
हाँ?
सच्चाई है इसको?
नहीं, जैसे पहली फिल्म से कोई सच्चाई नहीं था, इस फिल्म में भी कोई सच्चाई नहीं है, और 10th फिल्म में भी कोई सच्चाई नहीं होगी, लाइफ भर कोई सच्चाई नहीं होगी।
और देखिए किस तरह आलिया और करण खिंचाई करते हैं वरुण की, when he tells us about the one incident where he fought for love.
Varun fights for love every week.
Oh, like that. Please, we want to know more. Karan, please add if you want to.
I will not add, but Varun will tell you.
Fought for love, yeah.
That's why they call him Humpty.
Okay, now inputs, Varun.
On a serious note, because when you're fighting for love, it's a bit serious. Once, then I was in love during, I don't know anything once. No, but it happened like when I was in college, I was in love with this girl, and her father actually didn't want me to be with her because he knew I was getting into films or something. So he told me that he's a heart patient and they come from a family which is very decent. So he told me that you should back off because I want to get her married like early and stuff.
तो कुल मिलाकर ये इवेंट रहा काफी रंगीन। अब देखना ये होगा कि ये तीनों जो दोबारा एक साथ एसोसिएट हो रहे हैं पोस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर, इस बार बॉक्स ऑफिस पर ये क्या धमाल कर पाएंगे। फॉर रुद्रानी चटोराज, ज़ूम, मुंबई।